Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue. In this video, we're gonna get rid of this old table. This has been here since I opened the shop about 4.5 years ago. It was the cheapest thing that I could make that was gonna be strong enough to handle doing the metal work on it. But as you've seen in most of my videos, it is taking a beating. And I don't know if you can see under here very well, but it's become a catch-all for tons of stuff in the shop. It's time to get rid of it, and we're gonna turn it into a welding table like this. These bad boys are rated for 1,000 pounds apiece. I think that'll work. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. It is greatly appreciated. I apologize if I look a little sweaty and dirty, but it's the middle of summer. It's 113 outside right now, which means it's probably about 105 here in the shop. And that's even with an evaporative cooler. This is a table that I have wanted to make for some time now. I apologize that I didn't actually have a big piece of material to put on the table and lift it up with the tilting mechanism. You're gonna have to watch another video to catch that trick. But I'm glad that it worked. It seemed like it was pretty smooth. I might have to up the motor size because it was really struggling to pull the table back into place. It only lifts about 250, 300 pounds. I wanted to try to make it as easy as possible, and this is why I just did like a pillow block system with just some little pivot points. Simple is easy for me. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And if you have some comments or like to suggest some improvements or changes on the table, please let me know. I'm sure that I will be modifying as I go, and I feel that I need to add something to it. But between you and me, I'm not putting anything under this table for quite some time. I'm enjoying the empty space feeling of a nice clean table. Thanks to my top Patreon supporters, Barry and Marlene Rush, Judy Clothier, and Funkiss Artistic Creations. We'll see you in the next video.